Hi guys, yesterday guys we were buying pound USD and guys we hit both of our targets. Only after hitting the targets guys the price came back down again. So who cares? We made money. So that is the question always is always guys is what are we going to do today? And that is a deep question. Okay. So guys this is the AI analysis. I already went ahead and did that. So it's bullish. It's in valuation is 1.33879. So this area guys. Guys, I would agree with it, but we did not get a deep correction in the pound. So, guys, what I'm going to do is, I would, yes, I would like to buy it, but I would, need a break above 1.34084. And guys, once we get that, I become bullish. I am bullish. Let's just say I am bullish. Sorry about that. As long as the price stays above 1.33905 guys, but instead of just one huge target I have two targets. The AI has one big target and another after that. Guys, my first target would be 1.34288. And guys, if we break below 1.33820 guys, it just means we're going in for a deeper correction. We we are we are bullish nevertheless if you look at higher time frame context. And guys, my target would be 1.33291. So wishing you guys the best of luck. Hope you guys make money trading this pair and see you guys tomorrow.